Let's solve this question. In an election of three candidates, A, B and C, A gets 25% more votes than B. Also, B gets 4 percentage points more votes than C. If A beats C by 9600 votes, find the number of voters in the voting list. Given that 80% of the voters on the voting list voted and no votes were illegal. So there are three candidates, which is A, B and C, and it is given that A gets 25% more votes than B. So the vote share, I am writing here vote share in percentage. Let's assume the vote share of B is 4x percentage. If vote share of B is 4x percentage, A gets 25% more votes than B, so it would be 5x percentage. This is the vote share of A. And also B gets 4% more votes than C, so I can write vote percentage of C as 4x minus 4%, because it is C is 4 percentage point less. C gets 4 percentage points less votes than B. Now, important thing is this is share in percentage, and I know only three candidates are there, so this vote share must add up to 100%. So 5x percent plus 4x percent plus 4x percent minus 4% must be equal to 100%. Now this is 9 plus 13x percentage must be equal to 104%. So I get x as 8 from here. So the vote share of A is how much? 8 into 5, 40% votes. A gets 32% votes. B is getting 32% of votes, and C is getting 28% of the total valid votes. Now this percentage is out of total valid votes, and total valid votes is already 80% of the voters. I have to find number of voters. One important information given is A beats C by 9600 votes. So difference between A and C vote share, the difference in vote share of A and C is how much? 12% of the total valid votes, and it is given as A beats C by how much? 9600 of the votes. So the 12% of total valid votes is giving me as 96%. Now 1% of this total valid votes is equal to 800 votes, and from here 100% of the total valid votes, these are valid votes, is equal to 80,000. 80,000 votes are total valid votes, and it is given that 80% of the voters on the voting list voted. So total voters would be how much? If 80%, total voters would be how much? If 80% of the total voters is equal to 80,000. If 80% of the total voters is equal to 80,000, we can say 100% of the total voters would be how much? 1 lakh. Total voters would be 1 lakh. What is asked? Find the number of voters in the voting list. So the correct answer to this question would be 1 lakh. That is option B.